for our chapter 1. Okay, so if you look in our self-practice 1.1H, I ask you to do number 1 and number 2. Okay, we are going to try to solve the first one over here first. Okay, a rectangular field needs to be fenced up using mesh wire. The length of the field is 5x plus 20 meter and its width is x meter. Express the area. This one almost the same like we done previously, right? Yeah. Okay. So if you look over here, we have our length 5x and we have our width is x meter. Okay, this one in meter square. Okay lah, no problem, right? So you are gonna have over here the area A equals to the length times width. So if you look over here, what we are going to do, we are going to expand 5x times x, we are going to get 5x square. 20 times x, you're going to get 20x. That's going to be for our Y. If correct, tick only. Okay, now B. Is given over here, the area given here 5,100. Calculate the cost of fencing the field. If the cost of the mesh is going to be 20 ringgit per meter. So what you are going to do now? Cut. Ketepikan sikit. Dia punya LCD tu. Sikit je. Right? Sikit. Okay. Okay, tune. How? What should we do first? Yes, we going to make as our quadratic equation by substitute the value of our y, kan? So we have already 5x squared plus 20 20x. Okay, so you just see just now we are going to have our quadratic equation. So what should you do? Yes, you're gonna get 5x squared plus 20x minus 5,100 equals to 0. That's gonna be your first step. Next step. I think I can do what? Simplify first, right? This one by using 5,100 there. If I divide by 5, I'm gonna get this one x squared. Okay, everything going to be divided by by 5, right? Okay. Plus 4x minus 1020 equals to 0. Okay. So now what should we do? Do by I got this one. Thank you to Casio. I get my free emulator here. Free emulator license. This is not chiplak one. Okay. Previously I using the 570 MS. This one MS lah. Okay. This one EX. I got the this one already. You know already, right? By using the menu in our Casio here. I have to mention Casio because they gave me for free, of course. Okay, and then go for A. Okay, after that go to number 2, degree 2, and we are gonna have our A here is 1, then B here is 4, C here is negative 1020. So if you look over here, the first factorization we are going to get 30. The second one you are going to get negative 34. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put first 30, and also negative 30, 34. That's going to be our answer actually. But we are going to work out to the top over here. We are going to get x minus 30 equals to 0. And this one you are going to have x plus 34 equals to 0. Then you are going to have x minus 30 as our factorization over here with x plus 34, and everything going to be equals to 0. So, next step. If you look at the question is asking for calculate the cost of fencing. How to find the cost of fencing? Perimeter, right? We need to know the length for all our for all the mesh, wire mesh. Okay, so what you have over here, we are going to, can we take the value of x negative 34? So you are going to ignore. Ignore this one. You have to mention ignore. So we are going to take the value of x over here is 30 by substitute into our x. So we have over here this is going to be our width, right? So this one you're gonna get 30 meter. The length 5 times 30 is gonna be 150. 150 plus 20 170. Faham tak ni? Understood? By substitute the value of our x just now. Can? Okay. So just now I mentioned we are going to find the length. So it's going to be the perimeter. So how to find the perimeter for this mesh over here? Yes, 2 times with 30 meter. 2 times, why 2? Because this one we have on the left and on the right side. It's going to be the same. Plus with 2 times with 170, because you are going to get this one also going to be the same. So if I want to put 30 plus 30 plus 170 plus 170, can? Same. Okay, so by using your calculator, 2 times with 30 is 60, plus with 2 times with 170, you are going to get the total here is, yes, 400 meter. Is it going to be our answer? Not yet. Kita nak cari cost kah? That one we have only the perimeter of our mesh. So now we know that 1 meter going to cost you 20 ringgit. So just now we have 400 meter. So now can I find the cost? Yes, the cost here 400. We are going to times with 20. So you are going to get 8,000 ringgit. That's going to be your answer. Oh, can I? Okay. Go for our number 2. Encik Kamarul drove his car at an average speed of 20 t minus 20 km per hour for t minus 3 hours along a highway. The distance travelled by Encik Kamarul was 2 to 5 km. The highway speed limit is 110 km per hour. Did Encik Kamarul follow the highway speed limit? No. How you know no? What's given in our questions there? Yes, that's not our speed, right? That's average speed over here. Average speed. And it's given already over here our Yes, time. Hours. And then given what? The distance also given over here, 2 to 5 kilometer. The highway speed limit, that one is going to be, we check to get our speed. How come we want to find our speed from our average speed? The formula, anyone? Average speed equals to, yes, total distance. Total, must have total because this one going to be average. Total distance over total time. So if you look over there, we need to find what first? Why we are going to find that one? The distance traveled already given. Also we have our time, isn't it? Sure? Sure? Sure you have time? Nah, the t minus 3 t you don't have time there. You only have the variable there, and the average speed also we have what there? 20t minus 20. So how we are going to find our t now? Substitute dah dulu kan. Okay lah, substitute. Okay, substitute. So 20t minus 20 equals to distance 2 to 5. This one okay lah, 2 to 5 over our total time here is t minus 3. So how did I want to find my t now? This one bring to the left side times, right? Time first lah. Okay, so what you are going to have over here? 20t minus 20 times with t minus 3. So we are going to get our total here is 2 to 5 first. Okay, so this one I expand, right? 20t times t, 20t square, 20t times negative 3, negative 60t, negative 20t, and also plus, apa tu? 60 equals to 2 to 5. Okay, I want to bring straight away lah, 2 to 5 to the left side. Minus 2 to 5 equals to 0. Why? Because I want to make as our quadratic equation. Okay, so got any like terms over here? Yep. Oh, this one and this one. So you are going to get what? 20t square minus 80t 60 minus with 2 to 5. You are going to get negative 165 equals to 0. Can I simplify? Can, right? By using what? 5. Can. So this one you are going to get 40 square minus with we are going to get this one is 40, right? And this one you are going to get 33. 80 is 16 lah. Saja nak tengok awak. That's why I didn't use my class quiz just now because it's already in that mode. Okay, so this one we are going to key in back. A here is 4, B here is negative 16, and C, negative 16, and C here is negative 33. So we are gonna get the first factorization here is 11 over 2. Kalau class quiz dia give straight away. Okay, negative 3 over 2. So obviously lah, you are gonna have this one 11 over 2 That one going to be our answer. Why? Why that one going to be our answer? It's not negative, right? Dia ada X pula T lah. Negative 3/2 just now. This one is T Do not use X. Okay? So what you are going to do over here, bring to the left, 2t plus minus 11 equals to 0. This one also, if you look, bring to the left, you're gonna get 2t plus 3 equals to 0. You are gonna get, for our factorization over here, 2t minus 11 and 2t plus 3. This one you have to show first for our factorization. Okay, so this one you can ignore because can our time be negative? Cannot. So you are going to take t here as 11/2. Did we already answered our question? Not yet. Why? We just find our value of t, right? So you need to know your speed. Can I just substitute into the average speed? Yes. Can. Cannot. That one average speed. You must find your, don't shoot teacher. Same lah yang tu. Speed equals to, we have our distance. So you are going to have over here to find our speed. Distance 2 to 5 over time. Now if you look, minus 3 there, right? So we have 11/2. So 11/2 minus 3. You are gonna get? You are gonna get? Krik, 5/2. Right? Dapat tak? Macam mana cikgu dapat? Kan this one you have 11/2, right? So I'm going to substitute into our time over here. So 11/2 minus with 3. Did you get 1/2 or you are gonna get 5/2? Kan? So can I find my speed now? 2 to 5 divided by 5/2. I'm gonna get what? 90 km/h. That going to be Encik Kamarul's speed. The question, did Encik Kamarul follow the highway speed limit? Yes or no? That's going to be your final answer. Yes. You can have it full lah. Yes, Encik Kamarul follow the highway speed limit. Because you have already 90 km/h. Can class? Can class? Alamak, senyap je.